I'm Dan, and I'm going to give you an expert tutorial on how to do this for the first time. First, you do this thing. Okay. Does it go in that way?
No, it's like the normal one, yeah.
Okay. So I shouldn't have made this so high. That's the first thing in this expert tutorial. And you put it in like this, as you see here. And then, look, this is heavy. So then you tighten it. And now it's tight. And then you tune that, and then it comes down. And then you tighten it. And then you open this up somehow, like so. And then there's like a corner thingy, I think, maybe. And oh, something pops in. Or do you pull this out, maybe? Or do you push it in? I remember something. I'm doing it right? You push it in. Like so. No, I'm not doing it right. But you push it. There you go.
Shot.
And you pushed it. Alright, it's pushed. There you go. Now I can make it taller by unhooking the thing. And then you make it taller. And then you hook the thing again. Then you move it back and you pick up one of your trusty bulbs. I'm not talking about plants, kids. Then you pop it open and it pops in. It's like, look at this big ass bulb. It's big bulbs. And then you put it in the hole. Now that could be helpful for multiple things.
Don't screw it from the helix, screw it from the base.
Okay. Now some godly voice just taught me something. And I'm screwing it. And I'm screwing out, screwed in. Okay, nice and screwy. Alright. For the sake of this experiment, we're going to need an extension cord. Also, this is broken now, so watch your step.
Oh, what happened?
I kicked it.
Like on purpose?
I was a little bit angry.
So that was it, yes. Just like, you remind me of a high school door.
Let's see. So now this goes into here, like so. And then this goes back here, like so. And then you move the ottoman. And then you pull out this here stack of shit. And then you find a hole that's empty, which I don't know if there is one. And now there's a light. Because clearly, apparently, we did it wrong last time and we didn't turn off the little switch first because it shouldn't come on when you plug it in. Because that's wrong. See, there's a little switch thingy over here. You probably can't see it at all because it's behind the light. But that's how you do it. Can you see it? Now it's on. Alright, now, this is what we call a soft box, but it hasn't been softened. So how do I soften it? Well, that's a question we ask. Now, it's not in this thing, so it must be separate.
It was at one point in time.
It's not in this thing. Oh, maybe it's in this thing. See, when you're a professional like me, you have lots of things, and sometimes you forget where they are. Now to be clear, I've never done this before, but Keith has, and I watched him once, and so I'm a quick learner. I don't have my learner's permit though, because I can't drive. Blindness. And it afflicts everyone eventually when they die. And then there's Velcro, and you Velcro it, and now you have a diffused soft light. Note,
So it's way too close to it to see anything except light.
Note the soft light. Alright. Now, is it the good height? No, we should make it tighter. We should make it tighter. I'm going to make it tighter. Not tighter, no, it's pretty height.
I would make it lower and aim it up.
Okay. These are the skills that you learn over time as being a professional.
And just bounce it off the ceiling.
Remember
that part about the lower?
Yeah, I'm going to do that. Why would I do it in order? Good?
Who knows? It's like you're filming or something. So, actually meant.
Now, is that video worth anything?
We'll see.
So much better. These, looks like these aren't doing anything once you have this one on.
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely doing
Yeah,
something.
it
It's
is.
just.
But I'm just saying, when you look at the comparison, it's like, look, this looks dark, and even though there's a light right there.
Yeah.
And that's how you do that for the first time. I'm Dan, that was my plan, and I just did that for the first time. What else do you want me to do for the first time? I've already had sex, so I can't do that. Let me know in the comments below.